Yeah, hello guys. This is Prime Performance Auto Repair. So I have a Diet on a 2010 Volkswagen Tiguan, a 2.0 liter. Um, so on this Volkswagen, the car won't start in the morning. Meaning with a coal engine, the car won't start at all. The customer brought in this car yesterday. I couldn't identify what was going on, and so I told the customer to let it be in the shop so that I'll actually see what is going on with the car in the morning. And so this morning, as you can see, the car will start, and you have the steering light, the engine light, right there. It starts and it goes off immediately, as you just see. So, and it keeps on bringing on different kind of light, flashing, brake light, and other. So I did a scan yesterday, and it gave me a bunch of codes on radio, on every electronics in this car. So I was thinking it was the mobilizer, and I said no, let me have this car for the night and see how it works in the morning. So now, um, I'm thinking is the gateway model. So let me where the gateway model is. So you can see more lights are coming up. More lights are coming up. So I just did the horn. See, more light came on, the battery light. You can see. So now, okay, now the radio started playing. So at first, the radio couldn't activate. Um, that's just one of that's that's one of the symptoms. You will know that the gateway is going out, and that's the gateway model right there with the red. I'm sorry with the music. Let me reduce this for them. All right. So that's the gateway model right there with the red connector. So that needs to be replaced and reprogrammed. And let me try and start it again and see. Let me try and start the car and see. All right, it went off. So so the customer said for the car to start, you need to turn on the heater in the car so that the inner car will be warm. Each time you have a car, especially the Volkswagen, that has the symptoms, you need to warm the inside of the car, meaning there is a particular thing that needs to be warm for the car to start. So that's why the customer had to will always have to put on the heater when it doesn't start, and the heater will blow in, and the system will be warm, and the car will start. So I have a heater right here, heater blower. So I want to take out that the gateway. I want to take out the gateway model and blow some heat direct to it, and you will see the car starting. So let's. So I have to pause the video, get the motor out and blow it. So as you can see, the car. So as you can see, the car now is running. We are left with the engine light on and the bulb light on. So I did blow just a little bit of heater on the gateway, and the car will start. So it's just the gateway. So each time you have this, just go through. It's other people have other ways to check it, but there's a quickest and um, another way to find out if your gateway is actually malfunctioning. Sometimes you won't be able to read the code. That's what I had this morning. I mean the VIN. I couldn't get the VIN like smartly. like auto VIN detector. It won't be able to read it through the OBD2 the connector. So that's it. Just replace the gateway and you program it. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned to Prime Performance Auto Repair. I'm always here for you to share my experience and all that. Thank you.